Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today's tip is going to explain how to update your old software to the newest version. With the software open, let's check what version software you currently have installed. Click on Help in the top toolbar, then click About DoorKing. This should give us a pop-up with the current version of software installed on your computer. As you can see, this computer is running version 6.3F. All new systems installed will require at least version 6.4 or above. The first step in upgrading your software is to make a backup. This is done under File, then Backup. If you need help making a backup, please watch our other video on how to properly back up your software before continuing. Now that your software has been backed up, the next few steps are going to require that you have admin rights on the computer. So let's close the software and continue. We are now going to head over to the Add and Remove Programs in Windows. Once there, you will need to scroll down to the DoorKing Account Manager program. Now that you have found the DoorKing program, select it and then click Uninstall to remove the DoorKing program from your computer. Now to install the new software, go to doorking.com/remote-account-manager to download the latest and greatest software. If you need help installing the software, please check out our complete installation video online. Now with the software installed, let's make sure you are up to date. Go to Help and then click on About DoorKing. The pop-up should now show we are up to date with the latest and greatest software, 6.4C. At this point, you should be all set. Your data should have been imported automatically. If your data did not automatically populate, please see our video on how to restore from a backup. And we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.